right, thanks for tuning in for today's video. The fishing is starting to change a little bit. They're starting to transition into their summer patterns. There's still some bait shallow. Just finished up the shad spawn. So you're gonna have to change with the fish. You know, you can still catch them, as you can see from the video. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'm the only one in the parking lot. That's kind of strange. Evidently the fishing has slowed down. Huh. That's weird. Oh, there he is. That's what I was hoping. Ooh, it's a big one too. Wow. Oh, it's a good one. Boy, he really came out of the water. Oh, darn it. Well, I should have netted him quicker. Darn it. How on earth you can lose them with these treble hooks? I just don't understand it. Ooh, I had one hit it. Oh, there he got it. Now, hoping I'm, hey now. The way he hit it, I thought it was a big one. He just got it in the side. I'll probably lose this one too. Nope. It's a nice largemouth. Hey, I'm gonna get it out of you. Let me get him out of you. That's a post-spawn largemouth. Nice. That's 1.5 pounds, maybe 2 pounds. Should be fish number 2, but it's fish number 1. So the bait likes to hang around the ends of these docks. I don't see any bait spawning. It might be just about over with. The bait shad spawn might be just about done. Here, anyway. Trying to get up here to the point. Just got a couple of places I want to try in here. Gotta. Oh, there he was. Oh, got him. Oh, boy, it's a good one too. Oh, he came off. That's 2. Darn it. Ah. How do you prevent that? Oh, he knocked that plug out of the water and it didn't get him. And that's it, he's gone. That was exciting. Oh, he got him. Can I keep him on? I don't know. I should net him, but I wanted to get him in the boat as quick as I could. Man, there is nothing like topwater. Nothing like a topwater bite. There's a nice, I don't know, 1.5 pound, 2 pounder. I'm fishing with the Spro E-Pop, my favorite topwater lure. That one barely had a hook in him, so tells me they're just a little off today. Oh, it's a nice one. Nice one. And I'm not sure if my camera even got that, but that's all right. Nice spot. Ooh, that's a nice one. Nice big spot. Now, he was right on the dock. That's odd. Well, I've caught a few fish, can't complain. I should have 5 by now. You know, I lost 2 good ones. So I got it's a shallow point is what it is. And it's also a kind of a flat. The point comes out quite a ways. I'm setting in 11 feet right here. I'm approaching it with the trolling motor as opposed to running your big engine in here. You want to be quiet. These fish are getting hammered this time of year, so make long casts. It's getting kind of late for them to be using this point. I think the bait is mostly spawned back this far in the creek. It's always worth a shot, though. I'm seeing a few fish out here a little ways, so I'm going to throw out here a little deeper. There he was. Oh, didn't get him. Oh, I still didn't get him. He's still looking at it. There he is. Oh, that fish hit it. That fish hit it several times. I thought it was a lot smaller than that, too. That's a nice fish. Odd that there's just seems to be not very many of them on this point, but that's fun. Anytime you can catch them on top, it's fun. Man, that fish hit at it 3 or 4 times before he ever got it. Well, time to go check out another spot, I believe. switched over to my swim bait just because its sun is really up. This boat here just drove right over this point. There we go. Hey now. That's a nice spot. Decent. On the old magic swim bait. Look how spawned out that fish is. Wow. He was out there in no man's land. Oh, there he was. Jeez, I didn't get him again. So I started seeing fish out a little deeper here as I worked my way around the point. Which doesn't surprise me. Oh boy, they're gonna be hard to catch today. I kind of figured with all the rain we've had, it's gonna mess them up. It's all right. I'll figure something out here. Gotcha. Now, don't you jump. Uh-oh. Oh, I think it's a big one. Boy, he's pulling. Oh, yeah, it's a nice one. Well, come on now. Yeah, that's a nice fish. On the old trusty jig and fluke. That's a 2.5 pounder, probably. So, today, they're a little more bottom oriented, which is interesting. He's right here near the point. This is right up my alley. This is my kind of fishing here. Still catching them on a fluke. I'm just fishing the fluke a different way. I'm sitting in 36 feet of water. And I fished through there with the weightless fluke just a minute ago. Never got a bite. So they just wanted it a different way. Oh man, they're just not hitting it right. You son of a gun, you. There he is. Boy, he hit it 2 or 3 times. 2 or 3 times before he came and got it. Hey. Uh-oh. I don't think this is a bass. I think this is a gar or a striper. If it's a bass, it's a giant. It's acting like a catfish. No, it's a striper. Boy, they are strong. Jeez, they are strong. Not a particularly big one, but I'll take him. Hey, come over here, come over here. He just broke off my... He just broke off my jig in his mouth. I mean, that's a 5 or 6 pounder. I'll take it. Love it. Well, I'm going to have to retie. That fish hit it 2 or 3 times before I ever hooked him. That's a nice bonus fish. All right. I knew the minute I hooked him he was different. They just hit it a little different than a bass, and they fight different. So I think it's worth another pass through here. Oh, there he was. Man, I think there's more than one striper here is what it is. You normally shouldn't be missing bass. I think that was a smaller striper. That's what I think. So after my initial topwater fish, and I missed quite a few of those, fishing's a little tough. There we go. That's a striper. I got this guide right here that's fishing right on top of me. Hope I can land him. Boy, it's a good one, evidently, because he's just staying down. Didn't think there was very many stripers in the area in here, but there's a pretty good school here. It's a nice one. Well, there just might be another. These fish are suspended out here about, I'm over 40 feet of water. I'm letting it sink down about 15 or 20 feet and just start working it. Oh, missed him. Son of a gun. There we go. Got it. Came back and got it. He came back and got it. Not a bad spot, too. Not a bad spot. Yeah, he's a little small. Come on, fella. Yeah, he's a little small, I guess. Can't complain. Right out on the windy point. All right, thanks for watching. After the initial top water, you know, which is basically early in the morning, I go out top water until the top water just shuts down. The fish on this day were a little more bottom oriented, so I pulled out the old trusty jig and fluke and caught them that way. So fishing's going to get a little tougher as the weather gets hotter, but the topwater fishing will get better. The hotter it gets, the more humid it gets, the better the topwater fishing. So anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I got some good stuff coming up. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you out there next time.